Hello friends, welcome to the CloudWeek YouTube channel. My name is Manoj and today we are going to learn how to create virtual machine in Azure. So first we need to go to the Azure portal. In the Azure portal, log in with your Microsoft account. If you have free Azure account, you can search for free services and here you can see the option to create virtual machine. So we have the paid subscription, so we will create the virtual machine from here. So here you can see the option to create virtual machine. So click on this. Here you can see the virtual machines running. So we will create a new one. Here you can see the option for Azure Virtual Machine. So in the basic details you need to select your subscription. In the resource group you can create a new one or you can choose the previous one. So we will choose the previous one. Here we will provide virtual machine a name. Here you need to select your region. You can see the availability option. So we will leave it as it is. In the image you can select which type of virtual machine you want to create. You can create Windows 11, you can create Windows 10, you can create Windows Server. So we will create here Windows Server 2022 data center machine. Here you can see the option for size. So how many RAM you need. We will create 4 CPUs, 16 GB memory. Here you need to type the username and password for the admin account. Here we will choose the username and here password. Here in the public inbound ports, select this option, allow selected ports. In the inbound ports, you can choose HTTP, HTTPS and RDP. In the licensing option, leave it as it is. Here you can click on review and create button. Here you can see it is showing the cost like 0.1820 USD per hour. And here you can see the validation has been passed. So we will click on the create button. It will take some time in creating the virtual machine. Now you can see the deployment is in progress and it will take some time to complete the deployment. Now you can see that our machine has been created. Here you need to go to the resources. So it is our machine. You can see the status is running. Now we need to connect to our virtual machine. So here you can see the option for connect. So click on this and here you can see the native RDP. Select this and here download the RDP file. You can see our file has been downloaded. So open this file and here click on connect button. It will ask for the username and password here. Now you can see we have successfully connected to the Windows virtual machine that we have created. As this is Windows server machine, so you will get the server manager. Thank you guys for watching the complete video. If you have any further queries regarding this, you can ask us in the comment section.
Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Also follow us on other social media platforms. Social media links are in the description.